Hello, little friends. Waving hand. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to the farm, where we'll meet lots of amazing farm animals. Cow, pig, rooster, ewe. Let's go and see who's waiting for us. Cow stomach has 4 parts. Baby cows are called calves. Cows can walk up to 5 miles a day. Dairy cows give us milk. Donkey is a strong animal. Baby donkey is called a foal. Donkey can carry heavy loads. Donkey says hee-haw. Horse runs very fast. Baby horse is called a foal. Horse eat grass and hay. Horse can drink lots of water. A sheep gives us wool. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat grass and plants. Sheep are domestic animals. Pig is a farm animal. Baby pig is called a piglet. Pig like to stay cool in mud. Pig are very clever animals. Goat is a farm animal. Baby goat is called a kid. Goat eat grass, leaves, and plants. Goat give us milk. Rooster is a male chicken. Baby chickens are called chicks. Rooster crow loudly, cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster wake up early in the day. Chicken is a bird that lives on farms. Baby chicken is called a chick. Chicken eat grains, seeds, and worms. Chicken lay eggs. Chick is a baby chicken. Chick come out of eggs. Chick are soft and fluffy. Chick love to drink water. Rabbit is a small, furry animal. Baby rabbit is called a kid or bunny. Rabbit eat carrots, grass, and vegetables. Rabbit have delicate fur that is soft. Duck are adaptable and live in many habitats. Duck have amazing eyesight to spot food. Baby ducks are called duckling.